Hello students, I Amol Sharma once again welcome you all in DSCJ's Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education, Jammu. Students, topic we are going to discuss today is advertisement, means how to write an advertisement. आप लोगों ने एडवर्टीजमेंट्स बहुत सारी देखी होंगी, कभी पेपर में, कभी मैगजीन्स पे, कई जगह पे होर्डिंग्स में। तो एडवर्टीजमेंट में क्या होता है कि वो कंपनी या कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन अपने आप को या अपने प्रोडक्ट को हाईलाइट कर रहा होता है ताकि वो बता सके कि उसके प्रोडक्ट्स की क्या क्वालिटीज है। यू कैन से दैट एडवर्टाइजिंग इट इन अदर मीन्स एडवर्टाइजिंग can be defined as a non-personal presentation. Mean it is not only confined to a single person. It is a promotion of ideas, goods, or services paid by an identified sponsor. It is a non-personal mass communication, which has become a potent mean of education and mass selling. Through advertisement, you can make the people aware of your product, or you can make the people aware of your institution if you are advertising your institution or goods or any other thing. Mean it is a not personal communication. It is a mass communication. Now, advertisement has become a very important part in today's modern world. It helps in providing various information about the advertising firms, its products, its qualities, and place of its availability, and so on. I mean, through an advertisement, you can come to know where this product will be available and what kind of product is going it to be. Means the companies or any other one, it will highlight the qualities of its products. The significance of advertisement has increased in this modern era because of large scale production and tough competition in market. Moreover, if a salesman of a company feels happier because their task become easier if the product is advertised and known to the public. मतलब कि अगर आप किसी चीज को आप लोगों के बारे में राय जानना चाहते हैं, जो अपना कोई चीज जो है वो लोगों को देना चाहते हो, और अगर से पहले से उसकी एडवर्टीजमेंट है, पहले से ही उसकी पब्लिसिटी हो रखी है, तो आपके लिए वो थोड़ा टास्क इजी हो जाएगा ताकि इतने ज्यादा आपको क्वेश्चंस फेस नहीं करने पड़ेंगे। तो एडवर्टीजमेंट का बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प हो जाता है कि आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट जो है या कंपनी के सेल्समैन को प्रोडक्ट को बेचना थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाता है। It also helpful in government circle. It also advertisement is also helpful in government services. Government means use it for social purposes. You can say that it is a social advertising. It helps government to promote public awareness with a view to overcome social problems like dowry, pollution, AIDS, overpopulation. Means government can publicize, the government can advertise some topics are relevant or through this advertisement. Such advertising has a social purpose. So let's see, an advertisement is a kind of public announcement which is made through a popular medium like a newspaper, magazine, radio, etc. It is also displayed on the placards as well. It is a notice or announcement made in public medium promoting a product, service or event or publicizing a job vacancy. तो मतलब आप अगर हम किसी चीज की एडवर्टीजमेंट करते हैं तो वो हम बेसिकली जैसे हम एक नोटिस बोर्ड लगाते हैं, तो इसी तरह से एक किस्म का एक नोटिस ही है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम वैसी चीजें नोटिस की तरह हम नहीं लिखते हैं। यहाँ पे हम अपने प्रोडक्ट का, किसी चीज का अपना प्रोडक्ट प्रमोट कर रहे हैं या कोई इवेंट कर रहे हैं, जो किसी के लिए कोई जॉब वैकेंसी है, कोई जॉब देख लेना चाहता है या कोई जॉब रखना चाहता है या कोई जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा है। तो इस तरह से ये एक पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट होती है जो पब्लिक मीडियम मीन्स कि यहाँ पे प्रिंट मीडिया या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के थ्रू लोगों तक ये बात पहुंचाई जाती है। तो मतलब अपनी कंपनी के बारे में या अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में वहां पे उसको ज्यादा में हाईलाइट उसे किया जाता है। मतलब व्हाट द पर्पस ऑफ इट, the main purpose of advertisement is to attract immediate attention of the public. Mean when a person or anyone sees the advertisement, that advertisement catches the eyes of the person. That person reads it, it that person come to know about what the advertisement is about, what the product, what kind of product it is, and what, whether it is it helpful or not. So it is very potent tool for promoting sales and services. It is used to influence the minds, taste, and even motives of the masses. Remember, but you have to remember one thing: an advertisement is a play of words. It must be very attractive to catch the eye of the reader. Means suppose you are giving an advertisement of something in paper, but now it is the your words, what you have mentioned in that advertisement, that will be the responsible for the sale, or you can say that that will be the responsible for the motivation, so that a person get motivated through your advertisement. So it must be very attractive to catch the eye of the reader. So here we can see that there are two kinds of advertisement. One is classified and another is commercial. Now, what classified advertisements are? Let us first discuss about classified advertisement. Classified advertisements are used by the general masses to promote or use services. The only concern in the classified ads or advertisement is to get things noticed with the minimum words as possible. A classified advertisement is a small advertisement that you put in newspaper or magazine, usually because you want to sell or buy something or to find or offer a job. No, classified advertisement, आप लोगों ने पेपर में बहुत सारे देखे होंगे, एडवर्टीजमेंट का कॉलम होता है, वहां पे मिसलेनियस, एजुकेशन सेक्टर की, सेल परचेज की, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट आ दिया। तो वो जो एक क्लासिफाइड्स का कॉलम होता है, वो एक क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे अगर आप कोई अपना प्रोडक्ट बेचना चाहते हो या कोई चीज खरीदना चाहते हो या किसी जॉब के लिए, तो वहां पे एक छोटी सी एक एडवर्टीजमेंट एक बॉक्स में दी होती है। द मेन कंसर्न इज दैट मीन्स you have to promote or use the services of the general mass, and the only concern is to get things noticed with the minimum words. Mean you cannot explain the each and everything in the classifieds, कि आप वहां पे हर चीज एडवर्टीजमेंट में नहीं ले सकते हो। वहां पे अपने मिनिमम वर्ड्स के साथ मैक्सिमम आपने बताना है कि आप क्या प्रोडक्ट है, या आप किसी को जॉब ऑफर करना चाहते हो तो किस तरह की वो जॉब है। तो दैट आर जो भी वहां पे न्यूज़पेपर में या मैगजीन्स में हैं, जो स्मॉल फॉर्मेट में, दे आर द क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स। Now, the main characteristics of the classified advertisement, what a classified advertisement should have, while you writing the word points you have to remember: no blocks, no design, and language to be factual. Means because as the space is provided, a very small space is provided in paper or magazine, then you cannot afford to have number of blocks and design, so it should not be there. And language means you have to give the facts of the material or the product. They are written in short, catchy phrases and words. Means whatever you have written, it should be short and it should catch the eye of the person. The language used in simple, factual, and formal. It should be formal and it should be simple, so that each and every person could understand what you have written there. They should be short and to the point. As I have already told you that the space is not enough, so it should be short and to the point. Mean in short paragraph, you have to explain each and everything. All the relevant information is provided, no irrelevant material should be there, and they are written in a box to attract the attention. Means you have to write the advertisement in a box in order to get the attention of the persons. And moreover, comprehensive, yet must not leave any important matter. It should be comprehensive, but it should not leave any important matter. Mean if you have some important thing to say, you must have written there. No important step to follow while writing the classified advertisement. So what steps need to be followed when you have to write the classified advertisements? So these are the tips you need to follow. Number one, clearly state the category at the top. For example, for sale, to let, means at the top you have to mention that what kind of classification advertisement it is, whether it is for the sale or to let, for accommodation, for sale or purchase, for selling your you can say that, or any other missing report is there, or some lost and found. Means you need to clearly state the category at the top. And number two, when you are writing an advertisement, every word counts. Being too vague or wordy will cause people to skim your advertisement instead of pausing to read it, so that you should write to the point. Means here the every word counts, means you should not write the irrelevant information. अब इसमें क्या है कि आप चाहते हो कि पर्सन कोई भी जो है व्यूअर, जो मैगजीन रीडर है या पेपर रीडर है, वो आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट पढ़े, तो वहां पे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड या फालतू की बातें वहां पे नहीं लिखनी है, क्योंकि और साथ में लंबे लंबे सेंटेंसेस नहीं लिखने हैं, क्योंकि आपका उसके पास भी इतना टाइम नहीं है, और आप चाहते हो कि वो आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट पढ़े, तो इसलिए आपने टू द पॉइंट लिखना है, ताकि वो आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट को देखे, जो अट्रैक्टिव हो, ताकि वो उसे देखे और वहां पे पढ़ने के लिए वो रुके। नंबर 3, इट शुड बिगन विद ए हेडिंग इन बोल्ड और अपर केस लेटर्स। मीन जो आपका जो ऊपर कैटेगरी है, जो अपने स्टेट है, दैट शुड बी इन अपर केस लेटर्स, और यू कैन से दैट इट इज शुड बी इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. The language should be according to the audience we are referring to. For example, if you want to sell something to the youngster, the word chosen should be good enough to attract them. Means whatever product you are selling and to whom you are selling it, to whom you want to read that advertisement, the word should be according to them. Means if you are selling something to the youngsters, means they would prefer to have more attractive words, that they would need more modern words. So your words should be according to the person, according to the audience you are referring. Next is the do not use the semi descriptive characteristics for every same type of descriptive characteristics for every type of advertisement. Suppose you are selling two or more than two type of the products, then each and every product should not have the same descriptive characteristic. Each and every time you should have some different ideas about your products, you should have some different words, so that person get attracted towards to your advertisement, and every time he should wait for your advertisement so that he would get attracted. Next is the do not make full sentences. The prescribed limit is 50 words, and in order to make your advertisement loaded with information about the topic, you have to manage your word carefully. You should have to pay attention towards the word limits. Always add contact details in the end, either in the form of contact number, email ID, or both. They are generally given in the question. Means you have to mention your address and contact, so that the person who get through the go through the your advertisement, and if he wants your products, or if he gets satisfied, so that he could contact you. That's why contact should be there. You can write down your phone number also. It should always be in a box, so that it get attractive, and it should be neat and clean with good presentation. So these are some important tips you need to follow while write the classified advertisements. So there are various kinds of classified advertisements: situation vacant, situation or vacant, lost and found, tours and travels, tuitions, sale and purchase, accommodation, vehicle for sale. There are missings, there are for canals, there are for the movers and packers. So number of kinds of classified advertisements are there. So let us discuss a few of them here. So very first is, if you have to give the advertisement for vacant situation, if that is you are looking for a services in your for of a person in your organization, आप चाहते हैं कि कोई आपको employer चाहिए आपकी organization के लिए, तो आप दोगे वहां के कि आपके ऑफिस में some situation is या some post is lying vacant, तो आप किस तरह से वो advertisement दोगे, तो उसमें क्या टिप्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं. फर्स्ट, you have to specify the post and number of vacancies. Mean how many posts are there, how many vacancies are there, and what post it is, whether it is of the manager or the receptionist, whatever kind of it is. Qualities of the person required, means for that post what qualities a person should possess. Age and sex of the candidate, what is the age limit and whether it is a male or female. Pay scale and perks. Pay scale and perks is to attract the person, so that he or she get attracted toward your organization. And at last, in contact address and phone number, mean you have to mention your address, contacts and phone number. Moreover, this contact address and phone number, it should be in each and every type of advertisement. तो आपने क्या है कि ये कुछ टिप्स हैं जो आपने फॉलो करने हैं, और एक बात आपने जो ध्यान रखनी है कि कॉन्टैक्ट एड्रेस और फोन नंबर वो आपकी, यानी कि आपको वो पर्सन कॉन्टैक्ट कर सके, वहां पे आपका एड्रेस या फोन नंबर जो है वो हर टाइप की एडवर्टीजमेंट में होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज द लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड. नो, these advertisements are given by a person who has lost or found some important document or something else. Means suppose you have lost something or you have found something and you wanted to advertise so that the person where if you have lost, so that the person who found it, or if you have found something and the person who have lost it, you want to contact that person. So for that you need to be follow some tips. You have to write at the top, you have to begin your advertisement with lost and found. At top you should write lost and found. After that, description of article is there. If you have lost something, and then where and when and where the article was found or lost, कि आपने कहाँ उसे ढूंढा है या कहाँ उसे आपने खोया है, वो आपने लिखना है. And if you have lost something, then you can write the reward for finding it, so that the person who go through the your advertisement, he become ready to find your article or ready to find your things whatever you have lost. And again, at last there should be the contact address and phone number, so that if he found something or if he had lost something, that person can contact you and get the article from you. After that, if you are advertising, if you have the agency of tours and travels, then how can you begin it? What tips you need to be followed? At the top you should write the name of the agency, then destination and duration. You can tell them for which country or for which city you can arrange the tour and for how much duration. Moreover, you can also mention the details of the package, and if you want to provide any kind of discount, you can also write it there. And again, contact address and phone number. And next, if you are giving the advertisement for tuition, suppose you are taking home tutors or if you have a coaching center, then you need to follow these steps. For this, you need to write down the classes and subject for which you are giving the tuitions, and then qualification and experience of tutor. Mean you, the tutors who are going to teach the subjects, what qualification and experience do they have. You can also highlight the previous result of your students, and then again contact address and phone number should be there. So these are the tips you need to be follow while writing the advertisement. And then if there is an advertisement for sale and purchase, this is an advertisement written in an attempt to sell property, assets, office, goods, etc. Suppose you want to sell something, then you need to follow these points, or you need to remember these points. First of all, you must specify the location where your property is. Well, if you are going to sell some building, some office, then you need to tell the persons that where it is and what is its area, whether in square meters or yards. Moreover, you need to mention the name of the development authority, mean who had made that structure, whether it is registered or not. And then price expected, how much price you are expecting. You can also write down the negotiations in any case you want to give. And at last, there is the contact address and phone number. This contact address and phone number should be there in each and every kind of advertisement. And these are the advertisement which we commonly see in papers or magazines. Vehicle for sale. So in order to sell your vehicles, if you want to sell your vehicle, then the important points you must remember. You must first, you need to write the make, whether it is of which company. Make means company of the vehicle, कि आप बताना चाहते हो कि वो हुंडई की है, मारुति की है, या मोटरसाइकिल है तो होंडा का है, किसी भी का है तो वो अपने कंपनी का नाम लिखना है. Then you need to write the model, color, accessories, कि वहाँ पे कौन सा मॉडल है, 2010, 2012, 2015, किस कलर की और क्या क्या एक्सेसरीज वहाँ पे उसके बीच में है. Then ownership detail, कि who owns it, whether it is on loan or you have the purchased it, you have your registration कि किसके नाम पे है. Price expected, how much price you are expecting to get from the person, and again contact number and address. If remember one thing, if you are say that you are selling or something, you can also write down the negotiations. In any case, you feel free that you want to negotiate the person, you can also write down the negotiations in any case you want to negotiate. And next is the advertisement for accommodation. Now these advertisements are written by the one who looking for a place for accommodation. You want something that कि आप कोई देखना चाहते हैं, कोई बिल्डिंग, कोई accommodation, तो आप उसके लिए या आप कोई accommodation किसी को देना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आप क्या आपको टिप्स फॉलो करने हैं. टाइप ऑफ अकोमोडेशन, नंबर ऑफ रूम्स एंड फ्लोर्स, कि वो कितने रूम है, कौन सा फ्लोर है, वेदर इट इज इंडिपेंडेंट और अपार्टमेंट, कि आपका कोई फ्लैट है फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर या कोई इंडिपेंडेंट बंगलो है या फ्लैट है, एंड देन एक्सपेक्टेड प्राइस एंड नेगोशिएशंस, लोकेशन वेयर इट इज, कि ये कहाँ पे है, आपने उसकी लोकेशन बतानी है, देन एरिया, यू कैन आल्सो मेंशन द एरिया इन स्क्वायर मीटर्स एंड यार्ड्स, so that the person can get the money, ताकि उसे पता चल जाए कि एक्चुअल क्या रेट मार्केट में है, उसे कंपेयर कर सके, एंड अगेन कॉन्टैक्ट एड्रेस एंड फोन नंबर। तो these are the tips to be followed while giving the accommodation or while writing the accommodation advertisement. Now this was all about the classified advertisement, कि अगर आपको classified advertisement दी हुई है तो आपने किस तरह से वो लिखनी है। Now second is the commercial advertisement. Now what commercial advertisement? These are designed for commercial purposes by leading manufacturers, establishments, organization, etc. for the publicity and promotion of their products, services or some events. पहले आपने देखा कि क्लासिफाइड में पर्टिकुलर वो कुछ ही लोगों से रिलेटेड है, मतलब वो पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट है या एक आदमी है उससे रिलेटेड है, वो किसी एक ने ही वो चीज खरीदनी है। जैसे अगर किसी ने कार की अगर आप लिख रहे हो सेल एंड परचेज, so you are selling a car and only one person will buy that car, mean that is one on one. Similarly, if you are selling a flat, that only one person will buy that flat. But suppose you are selling some products, suppose you are selling a bulb or a lamp, electric lamp, it means not going to be being bought by only one person. Millions of person will buy that bulb. So such kind of advertisements are the commercial advertisement. So these are designed by the commercial purposes by the companies for the promotion of their products, services, and some events. So what main characteristics of the commercial advertisements are? It is designed for commercial purpose, mean large scale purpose. You want to sell your product on a large scale. It takes more space and is more expensive in terms of advertisement cost. क्योंकि जो आपकी जो क्लासिफाइड है वो एक छोटे से कॉलम में छोटे से बॉक्स में आ जाती है, लेकिन जो कमर्शियल पर्पज में है इसमें आपको ज्यादा स्पेस जो है वो यूज करनी पड़ती है मैगजीन की या पेपर की, इसलिए वो थोड़ा ज्यादा कॉस्टली रहता है। These are visually more attractive with varying font, shape and size. So in order to make your advertisement more attractive, we can use the various fonts, shapes, size and colors. We can also mention some pictures of your product, so it become more costly. There are catchy slogans, punchlines with witty expression with pictures or sketches. जैसे अगर आप कोई चीज अपनी बेच रहे हो, कोई लैंप है या कोई फ्रेम है, कोई कुछ भी आप एक कंपनी में आपका प्रोडक्ट लार्ज स्केल पे कोई है, तो वहां पे क्या होगा कि आपने कुछ अच्छी पंच लाइन होगी ताकि वो पर्सन या नंबर ऑफ पर्सन हम कह सकते हैं कि लोग उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हों। उसके पिक्चर्स, आप कुछ ऐसे पिक्चर्स या स्केचेस बनाओगे उसके लिए ताकि लोग आपकी रुक के वहां पे आराम से आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट पढ़ सकें। सो दे हैव कैची स्लोगन्स एंड पंच लाइन्स। Moreover, details of product or event given in a clear and precise way, that is again in the same as that of the classified, that a clear-cut information is there. Special offer and discount if any and period for which it is valid for. Means if there is any special offer or discount and for how much period it is valid, that will be clearly mentioned in that very commercial advertisement. Again, that advertisement, whether it is a classified or commercial, it is present in a box, and address, contact number and phone and name of the advertiser is again there in that advertisement also. So these are the commercial and you can say classified advertisements. तो आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि क्लासिफाइड या कमर्शियल एडवर्टीजमेंट क्या है और किस तरह की ये एडवर्टीजमेंट होती हैं। नाउ लेट अस सी द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द advertisement. So first is the heading, mean at the top you must mention your advertisement, must mention the state or your purpose of your advertisement. If it is for the sale, then here must be written the in heading, जो heading दी हुई है यहाँ पे must clearly लिखा होना चाहिए sale or purchase. If it is for lost or found or accommodation, so it should be in capital letters to attract the person. And it is the body or the contact, कि जो भी आपको लिखना है अपनी एडवर्टीजमेंट या अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, you need to mention there, and then contact number and phone should be there. So this is the format for writing the advertisement. Now this is the marking scheme. Each and every part, जैसे कि मैंने आपको मैसेज, नोटिस या ईमेल राइटिंग में बताया कि हर एक चीज के मार्क्स होते हैं, फॉर्मेट के अपने मार्क्स हैं। तो फॉर्मेट के, कंटेंट के, एक्सप्रेशन की, आप किस तरह से आपकी फ्लुएंसी है, कि क्या क्या आप उसमें कैची फ्रेजेस यूज कर रहे हो, किस तरह से आप लिख रहे हो। सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग हैज इट्स ओन मार्क। तो हर एक चीज की मार्किंग होती है, तो इसलिए आपको प्रॉपर पैटर्न, यू नीड टू फॉलो द प्रॉपर पैटर्न। सो it is I just want to tell you that through this slide I just want to convey that each and everything has a some marks, so you must stick to the pattern being taught to you. So let us take some examples ताकि आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाए. You are Amar and want to purchase flat in Jammu. Draft a classified advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Daily Excelsior for the purchase of flat, and you can be contacted at this phone number. So again, sale and purchase, because you are going to some purchase, it comes under the sale and purchase. So heading is the sale and purchase. Then body. So you want to buy a flat. So what are your requirements? That must be mentioned here. Clearly, it should be mentioned here. Interested in purchasing a 2-room flat in a housing society in Gandhinagar, Jammu. The room should be spacious and well ventilated with modular kitchen. I mean, what your requirements are? The room should be spacious and well ventilated, and that flat must have modular kitchen. Good construction and ground floor preferred. Mean if it is a ground floor, that is again your preference. Mean you need to clarify each and everything. Most mean not each and everything cannot be clarified, but most of the things should be clarified, so that the person who want to sell his flat, he must come to know about your choices. Good construction and good ground floor is preferred. It must have a parking facility. Contact Amar personally at this address, and if you can also ring at this address. So this is the your contact number and body. This is the body and the contact. So you need to stick to the pattern. तो यहाँ पे आप कोई चीज फ्लैट खरीदना चाहते हो, तो आपने वहां पे मैक्सिमम आपने बताना है कि व्हाट आर योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, ताकि जो पर्सन आपका फ्लैट बेचना चाहे उसे वो आपकी क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो उसे पता चल जाए. Let's take another example. You are Akesha Radha. Draft a classified advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Indian Times for the sale of used motor car, giving all the necessary details. You can be contacted at this. Means again here it is a classified advertisement. You want to sell your car. So what will be the your material? कि आप उसे किस तरह से आप लिखोगे? Again, your car is for sale. तो at the top it should be bold letter, that is a for sale. तो capital letters में आपने लिखना है. Again, what your product is, and उसके आपने products की description देनी है, so that जो भी उसे पढ़े, that person could get attracted toward your car, your product. Available black Maruti Swift Desire ZXi 2019 model is it? Self-driven, cautiously used, scratchless with a stereo and perfectly working air conditioner. No scratches, fitted with stereo and good condition. Interested may contact Rakesh Radha. So मतलब आपने यहाँ पे कि अपने आप कार बेचना चाहते थे, तो आपने उसको मैक्सिमम आपने बता दिया कि क्या क्या आपके कार के फीचर्स हैं, ताकि वो पर्सन आपकी कार की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो और उसे खरीद सके. Let's move to another example. You are a manager of ABC Limited, and you can want an efficient data entry operator for your office. Write an advertisement for situation vacant column of local newspaper. क्या आप यहाँ पे कि आपके ऑफिस में कोई वैकेंट पोस्ट है, तो आप चाहते हो उसके एडवर्टीजमेंट. सो अगेन एट द top you should write down the situation vacant. It should be in capital letters, so that person from this he can come to know that what kind of advertisement it is. After that, you need to mention your requirements regarding that post. Wanted an efficient, smart, and hardworking data entry operator for a leading manufacturing company in Chandigarh. Now, the qualifications, what you need, that person should be a graduate between the age of 25 to 35. Person should have possess the typing speed of 50 words per minute. Preference to those who have 1 to 2 periods of year of experience. Salary up to INR 2,60,000 annually, 26 lakh annually. Apply with complete biodata and update resume within 15 days to ABC Limited, Sector 5, Chandigarh. So again, this is your address and these are your requirements. तो इस तरह से आपने क्या है कि डिफरेंट एडवर्टीजमेंट्स लिखनी है. तो ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स थी. आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि एडवर्टीजमेंट के क्या फंक्शंस हैं, क्या क्या पॉइंट्स जो है हमें याद रखने हैं, व्हाट स्टेप्स यू शुड फॉलो, so that your advertisement become very catchy, कि आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट जो है वो अच्छी दिखे. इस तरह से आपने इनके प्रॉपर स्टेप्स जो है वो आपने फॉलो करने हैं. with me. And one thing more, you need to be careful, very careful about the word limits, that they should not be complete sentences. 40 to 50 वर्ड शुड बी देयर। तो मिनिमम वर्ड से आपने मैक्सिमम अपने बारे में बताना है कि आपकी जो एडवर्टीजमेंट है वो किसके बारे में है। तो आई होप कि आपको ये सारा क्लियर हो गया होगा। तो आप डिफरेंट यू आर एडवाइज टू प्रैक्टिस एट होम, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस अगेन आई विल से लाइक टू से दैट प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट, इट्स ए वेल सेड प्रोवर्ब। तो आपने घर पे भी इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है। और इन केस यू हैव एनी क्वेरी then you can write it to me. My phone number is given to you. And moreover, for the other topics, that is for the message writing, which I have already taught, you can go through the same YouTube channel, and the link for that will be provided in this video also. So be in contact. तो next time हम दोबारा किसी एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मैं आपको साथ फिर मिलूंगा। Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you and have a nice day.